Hey guys, did you know that in terms of male human and female Pokemon breeding, Vaporeon is scientifically and logically not the most compatible Pokemon for humans? Yes, I am making a video scientifically analyzing an internet copypasta, and yes, I am completely out of video ideas, okay? Leave me alone. My name is Togobro, and this is the only channel on YouTube that has one creative bone in its entire body. One of the tiny ones in my toes, I never figured out which one. Firstly, according to its Pokedex entries, Vaporeon evolved gills in order to live underwater, a feature that mammals simply cannot have. And the Field Egg group, which, while predominantly is mammalian Pokemon, also includes some obviously non-mammalian Pokemon as well, such as Quagsire, which is based on a salamander, and the penguin Pokemon, despite there being a flying egg group. Vaporeon is definitely more along the lines of amphibious fish because no aquatic mammal has gills. Acid armor does not just increase defense. Vaporeon would be making itself more fluid, melting itself, making normal intercourse completely impossible. It'd be like trying to fuck a pile of goop. And yes, I know that is going to be appealing to at least some of you, but that's not what I'm here to talk about today. It's not like Vaporeon's base defense is impressive at all either, it's its slowest stat. And its cell structure is apparently similar to water molecules, making it so that Vaporeon can melt into water, ignoring the fact that this makes no fucking sense! This explains why it can learn acid armor in the first place, as it sounds Vaporeon's body is fluid-like in some manner, which, again, would make normal intercourse completely impossible. None of these moves do what is implied. Attract inflicts a status condition that gives you a 50% chance to not be able to move any given instant, which is disadvantageous for sex, to say the least. Baby Doll Eyes simply lowers attack and has +1 priority, which I learned while researching this. Captivate, as well as not existing anymore, lowers special attack. Charm simply lowers attack, and Tail Whip simply lowers defense. All of these moves, aside from Attract, do nothing but lower stats. These abilities also don't function quite like this post implies they do. Water Absorb heals Vaporeon specifically when it's hit with a water-type move. It does not heal Vaporeon when it's in a passive water environment, such as underwater, in the rain, or in a bathtub, for instance. Although I couldn't explain why. In order for this ability to work in this manner, you would need another Pokemon to use a water move on it. Hydration, on the other hand, doesn't heal Vaporeon at all, it just cures status conditions. Side note, I highly doubt this part. Water and nut don't exactly make a homogeneous mixture. As a scientist, I obviously can't just refute a claim without backing it up with a counterclaim of my own. So if I was asked at gunpoint to figure out what the real most fuckable Pokemon is, I would have to say it's Lopunny. It's in the human-like egg group, which even I can't argue is a pretty cut-and-dry indication of biological compatibility, despite including two bugs. It forms strong bonds with its trainer, as indicated by being the only Pokemon to learn Return by level up. When it Mega Evolves, it's Fighting type, which is a good indication of physical fitness. You would have to be gentle with the ears, but other than that, this would be your best option if you were a degenerate. Once again, science prevails over hentai. Now, if you disagree with anything I just said or thinking I'm a disgusting human being, go write an angry comment down below to increase my viewer engagement and subscribe so you can do that on every single video. See ya later.